If you would have put $1,000 into the S&P 500 5 years ago, then you would have $1,583 today. That's a 58% return in 5 years. Not bad, right? But some guy spent $857 on buying a few letter word, held it for a few years, and then sold it for $117,000. That's a 136x return. And he's not alone. Thousands of people are quietly doing the same exact thing, and nobody is talking about it. Somebody sold the domain girlfriend.ai for $270,000, and only a week later, boyfriend.ai was also sold for $230,000. In total, about $500,000. This is called domain flipping, and I'm going to show you exactly how people are doing it and how you can copy the same exact strategy using AI. Stay until the end because I will reveal the biggest mistakes that causes most beginners to fail before they ever make a single dollar. So what exactly is domain flipping? Think of it like buying a land and selling it for more, except the land is on the internet. A domain is just a website address like google.com or amazon.com. Every business needs one. Now let's say you bought a domain called calorieshub.com for $50, and after a few time a business needs that domain you bought, so you sell it to them for thousands. The difference is your profit. Simple. But not every $50 domain is worth buying. You need to fish where the fishes are, and the fishes are in these 6 niches that always have money flowing through them. Now before buying anything, your domain must pass these 4 rules. Rule number 1, find the trend. The domain must connect to something people are excited about right now, or better, something about to take off. The guy who owned girlfriend.ai bet on the rising demand for AI companions. He knew companies building those apps would want the exact domain. He was right. Its value skyrocketed. You can use Google Trends to see what's rising and get some inspiration. Rule number 2. Can your grandma remember the domain name? Say it loud. Could she hear it once and remember it tomorrow? Rule number 3. Is it short? Nobody wants a 47-letter domain. The shorter the better. Rule number 4. Right extension. Domains with .com extension sells the most. About 75% of all domain sales are .com domains. .ai is also exploding right now, specifically because of the AI boom. .io is also trusted in the tech and startup world. Country extensions like .de for Germany or .co.uk for United Kingdom also sell, but only to a business that wants customers in that specific country. Extensions like .biz, .info or .shop can technically sell too. I just won't start there. Buyers pay way less for them. Also avoid domains with dashes, weird spellings and dates. Like bestaitools2024.com is already dead. These things makes a domain worthless overnight. Now instead of guessing domains ideas yourself, just go to Claude and paste this exact prompt you can get from the Google Doc, link is in the description. Just change the niche to whichever you like and hit enter. Claude will then give you 10 domain ideas built around all 4 rules. You can also prompt to generate more domain ideas if you need to. Now copy the domain name somewhere you like and then click the first link in the video description to go to Namecheap. Namecheap is where you can check the availability of the domain and buy for the cheapest price. On Namecheap, you can get a .com domain for just $6.79 if you go using the link in the video description and use this coupon code. Now, on Namecheap's homepage, hover on the domain and go to bulk domain search. Here, paste all the domains you copied from Claude and click on generate and you will see the ones that are available to buy. Also, you can check Namecheap's market to see what types of domains are getting most bids in auction and take inspiration. Okay, you have bought the domain. Now how do you get paid? 2 ways: fixed price or auction. In fixed price, you set one price like $3,000. Whoever whoever pays it gets it. For this, you can list on multiple platforms at the same time. List on Namecheap, list on Flippa, list on Afternic. More platforms mean more chances of potential buyers. If you want to auction it, then you have to set a starting bid for your domain like $500. Buyers compete, highest bid wins. For auction, only list on one platform at a time. I recommend Namecheap. List it and wait for the right buyer. Now let's talk about something most beginners don't realize. They check the criteria, everything looks good, but nothing sells. The reason is they only bought one or two domains. Think of it from an investor's perspective. A venture capitalist don't just invest in one startup, they invest in dozens, knowing most will fail, but the few that win pay for all the losses combined. Domain flipping works the same way. You will need 10 or 20 domains before you find your winners. That's normal. Out of those 20, 2 or 3 will make you bank. Remember, you make money when you buy, not when you sell. Buy a domain that could be worth $4,000 for $80, the profit is already locked in. 2 right domains out of 20 could bring you $7,000 or maybe $15,000. That one sells, fund your next 100 registrations. The prompt and the Namecheap discount link are in the description. Everything you need to start today is right there. Drop a comment with the niche you are starting with. Thanks for watching.